Dear viewers, it is important you know that we are not doctors, and this video is not a substitute for your medical treatment. For any of your health issues and concerns, please make sure you consult with your doctor or a health professional. Thank you. Hi guys, welcome back to JK Media Production, where we bring entertainment and education into your homes. Well, more like your fingertips. You know what I mean? Now, if you're just joining us for the first time, we honor you. I know that you want to know when we post new videos, so please hit the subscribe button. And if you're a returning visitor, wow, you are the real MVP. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like our videos, don't forget to share, and don't forget to comment. Comment. And you might just be the lucky winner of our 10,000 Naira monthly grand prize. Yeah, you heard me right. 10,000 Naira monthly grand prize. Now, our previous episode, we spoke on the weak erection and low sperm count. Today is for my girls. Hey ladies, let me see you say hey. You say hey. Put it in the comment section. Hey. I know say it gets some kind issues where we ladies they find solution for, and we want to talk about them today. Today we go to talk about tummy fat. How we go get that figure eight. You know, that kind of thing. And with me today is our guest, as usual, Mr. Damilare, MD CEO of NAWODE
HERBAL mixture.
NAWODE
HERBAL mixture, yes.
It didn't get as it be for my mouth, but it's in the work. Mr. Damilare, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
And welcome back.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, so today we are going to be talking about tummy fats.
Yes.
What do you think causes tummy fats in women? Because honestly speaking, for me, for instance, tummy fats, they disturb me well. I dey drink lemon, I dey drink Lipton, I dey put garlic, put all the orishi where we dey see for internet.
Yes, sir.
But if the belle no gree come down, in fact, sometimes my pikin go dey say, mommy, this your tummy too big, oh. I go tell am say, na you cause am. If I no born here, I for no get this kind of big belle. So, and I know that we have a lot of viewers who have these issues and will want to work on it. So, what do you think? What exactly causes we women mostly to have tummy fat?
Yes, that's a very good question. In the first place, you know, female do like, let me say, anything like sugary stuff. That's number one. Number two is that cow meat. You got eating cow meat. You know, too much of food in the body system is, you know, when you see something you want to eat, it's not everything that you eat. Because the more you eat, you know, and when you have a fat in your body system, all those things is going to be developing before you know it will be developed. So that's something you have to limit first of all, you need to let me say observe your systems. Notice your body system, how you eat. Sometimes it's not everything you eat. That's number one. Then number two is that cow meat, reduce how you eat your cow meat. And number three, you need to drink more water, excess of water. Then I also have the the herbs that are going to use to burn all those fats.
Mr. Damilare, sorry. Okay. Let me rephrase this. Now, are you saying that cow meat causes tummy fat in women?
Yes, of course, because you know this tummy fat of the things, you know, when you are eating too much of beef, you understand, you know, it will get a times that you will be having a season menstruation. So this season menstruation is won't flow the way it's supposed to flow when you are in your menstruation. So it will stop. You have something that's going to score at the back of your stomach. That's why sometimes you have a waist pain and body pain sometimes, because all those things is not coming out the way it wants. So this thing will store and it will be continue to big in your stomach, in your body system. Before you know, it will have a fat. It will turn to fat. And if care is not taken, this thing can lead to fibroid.
Okay, let me cut you there.
Yes.
Because I dey very sure say you go get some of my viewers where they say bam 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 bam.
Sure.
No be like that happen for me. Like me, no be like that happen for me. Before I begin born pikin, my belly flat. I dey do sisi eko, figure 8, sekpe. But as I come born, na that time my belly begin dey big. Abi, no, my sisters no be so.
Yes, sometimes you know this our body of this system change somehow. It changed. Sometimes it changed with time. You can't use the one of your teenager's age to be comparing your adult age and all that. So this system, it changed. It's not constant. It changed. Let me say, from time to time, month to month, year to year. You know, it changed. So as inability, so it will go to some stage that you have to limit what you eat. To reduce it. Once you reduce it, then you now notice that okay, this is what I will eat, this is what I will eat, this I will eat. And a lot of people, you know, have high fat, doesn't do exercise, doesn't eat let me say a lot of fruit. So you guys, there are some things that I need to notice and observe. You understand what I'm saying? So these are fat of or no fat of the things. So there are some things, and so that is why I have all those solutions here. So the apps that's going to, you know, make sure that this the fat is going to burn the fat, it's going to burn this thing. So that's why we have the urine rooms and the anus room. That's all those ways on the fats they will pass through, okay. So that can be able to, you know.
Let me cut you down there.
Okay.
Now he's saying that as we age, our body systems begin to change. So, for instance, if when you were younger, it takes you 2 hours for a plate of really good pounded yam and egusi to digest, as we grow older, it might take maybe lesser or more. So there's a change that occurs. That is why we should be careful and we should watch what we take, because all those things add to the fat that we have in our tummy. Besides that comes as part of hereditary. Now, Mr. Damilare, what herbs can we use at home? For instance, this is a very, very particular point for me. What can I do at home that will help burn out the fat in my tummy?
Yeah, sure.
What herbs do you have here?
We have the Pandoro. We call it Yoruba Pandoro. This Pandoro of its things, it's work for fat. It's burn fat. Then that's the number one. It's burn fat, and it also work for the blood itself. Because anything that has to do, because these eyes you can only see outside, you can't see inside. So the blood, you know, whatever you touch your body, you feel that you feel something is touching your body, like you. So this Pandoro is work for the for the fat, and this Enuokudi. We call this Enuokudi.
Sorry, let me just. He called this Pandoro. It looks like yam. Like a yam tuber.
Yes.
So please, if there's any of our viewers who knows what this is in English, kindly put it in the comment section. Pandoro.
Pandoro, yes. And we also call this Enuokudi. Enuokudi, we call this in Yoruba. In Yoruba, we call this Enuokudi. This Enuokudi. Enuokudi.
Enuokpiri.
Enuokpiri. Piri.
Enuokpiri.
Enuokpiri. You can see that. This Enuokpiri. If you this Enuokpiri will assist you to make the work effective. You understand? So that the ability of the fat in the body system can be able to burn and being dissolved, so that it can be able to pass through the anus and everything will be all right. Okay,
so if you know the English name for Enuokpiri,
then
please help us put in the comment section.
You are going to cook it, it's not as you just be, because you are going to cook it. Once you cook it,
just these two?
Yeah, just these two, yes.
Are we adding tegiri to it?
Just these two. But sometimes you can also add it, or you may not add it, but you can add it. So once you add it, just for, you know, like now you are cooking food and all of that, you know, you have to put a lot of ingredients to make it more, you know, delicious and all of that. So like, so likewise the same apps itself. You can add it. This one, it may not. You can add it. So once you add it, so you cook it, you break this one, you piece like you are sliding pomo. So you just put it inside. Then once you put it, you cut this one, and you also cut this one as well. Then the content of the water you are going to put it, then it may be maybe 2.5 liters keg like that. So you just break it.
2.5 liters,
Yes.
not 5 liters.
You can put 2.5. That it determines how you want to let it to. You can put it 5 liters as well. Do you understand? So this is, you cut it in pieces. Once you cut it in pieces, then you cook it. So after some minutes, like from 15 minutes to 20 minutes, then you are going to pour it inside the cup, and you'll be taking it morning and night, before meal and after meal. So in the next 3 days, 5 days.
For the sake of our viewers to follow us well. Now you said this Pandoro.
Yes, Pandoro. Yes.
We are going to cut the Pandoro
exactly
into pieces.
Yes.
And put in the pot.
Yes.
What next do we add?
The next is Enu Okpiri.
Enu
Okpiri.
Enu Okpiri.
Yes.
The next is the Enu Okpiri. Jesus Christ. Okay, so this Pandoro, for the sake of our viewers, this Pandoro, we are going to cut it into pieces and put in the pot.
Yes.
Is this the quantity?
Actually, this is to make it more effective. This is the quantity.
The quantity.
Exactly.
Okay.
So
for this quantity, this Enu Okpiri,
yes.
Is this the quantity of Enu Okpiri?
This is the quantity of Enu Okpiri. You can see the quantity of Enu Okpiri. See how long. That is how we are going to put it. Then you cut it. Once you cut it, there's a small water here. You call it a nutrient. It's one that will burn the fat. So it's one that is going to burn the fat. So once you cut this one, you will see some. It's just like yam. It's not yam. For example, now if you cut yam, there's some water. So this also have some water as well. So all these things, it will make the fat in the body stem to dissolve immediately. Okay. So that can dry and can shit it out, and you can see the bar as well. You can add it to it. We
cut this Pandora.
Yeah.
We are going to dice this Enu
Okpiri, yes.
We'll dice it.
Yes.
This quantity.
Yes.
And then we can add this Tagiri.
Yes, exactly.
We are going to cut it too. But this is so hard. How do we get to cut
now,
it?
It's knife now. You can, once you cut it, you just cut it. Knife. It's not so hard like that. It hard because it's normal. It's how it's been created. Like it's to add, so that it can be strong. So once it's strong like this, it's a fresh something. It's ready to use. Okay. So you have to cut it. Once you cut it, then apply with this one and cook it. So once you cook it,
so dear viewers, Pandoro.
Enu Okpiri.
That is, I can't pronounce that right.
And this is Tagiri.
Tagiri.
Exactly.
So you dice everything together
for the
and
fat.
put it in a pot.
Yes.
With how many liters of water?
Like 5 liters of water is okay.
With 5 liters of water. How long do we cook this? How long do we boil it?
You boil it 15 minutes. After 15 minutes to 20 minutes is fine. We
boil for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then how many cups of this do we use?
This 3 cups of this one is okay.
Is it?
It's twice in a week. Twice in a week.
Oh, just 2 times a week?
Yeah, 2 times in a week.
Oh, okay.
So it's very, very effective.
Okay.
And it's going to dry the fat immediately. So
is it early in the morning?
It's early in the morning. Early in the morning, 3 samples of this cup. Okay. And at night, 3 samples of this cup. Then twice in a week. Okay. It may be Monday or Wednesday. Okay. You can select your week. Okay. So. And then after 4 days, you'll be seeing the difference. I don't know if you are checking your weight. Your weight, because all those abokis that you to check weight, and you can have the weight inside your room and you can buy it. So you'll be checking your weight. You say this is actually working perfectly without doing exercise. Even it's work. Mr. Damilare, please just hold on there. So this, you take 3 cups first thing in the morning, 3 cups last thing at night. Exactly. Twice a week, just twice a week, so that you don't overdose. Okay. Now you are saying that we should check weight. Does it also work for the whole body weight or just the tummy section? Exactly. It's not only the tummy itself. It's for the it's work for the exercises. Like if you know what to do exercise, exactly. You can take this thing and you'll be fit. Oh really? Exactly. Because these things it's when you're talking about, that is why God knows the reason why He created the herbs. So it's work for. Okay, so we have the Pandoro, Enu Okpiri, yes, and the Tagiri itself. And the Tagiri itself, yes, for tummy fat, to burn tummy fat. And then simultaneously, whilst doing that,
It also works for body fat. So
Body
you can
fat.
actually lose weight by making use of this. Don't
Yes.
forget it's 3 cups, 3 of this size of cups. First thing in the morning on an empty tummy, and the last thing at night.
Yes.
Well, I for one, I am going to sample this.
Yeah, of course.
And my dear viewers, I'll be back. So you can see the before. When you see the after, you will know that I've arrived. All right, Mr. Damilare, thank you so much for another time with you. Thank you for being willing to, expose this thing to us and our viewers. We really, really appreciate you. Okay, guys, so we've come to the end of this episode, mainly for the women. Oh, let me ask, can men use it too?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, so it's not just for women really, but it's we women that have weight issues that we are very, very particular about. So men and women, you can use that. Now, if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please click the subscribe button. It is very important. And don't just stop there. Please like our videos and make sure you comment. You might just be the winner of our 10,000 Naira monthly grand prize. Yes, and don't forget to share. Share. There might just be someone in your network who is looking for one of our solutions. All right, bye for now. Ciao.